So, guys, we are live. We are live on YouTube. Another day to make a lot of bag from the forex market trading gold. As I've been trading gold, just only good for the past 1 year, and I've been trading forex for the past 13 years. Yes, you heard me right. Since 2012, we've been doing this shit, and I've actually created a strategy that works well with the market and has a win rate of 90%. It's called the volume and liquidity strategy. I built this strategy around liquidity. So before we get started in today's video, before I break down what I'm expecting from gold today, I will want you to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and also drop a comment in the comment section. And if you also want me to be making videos like this, I will want you to drop in the comment section. This is the second time of me trading live on YouTube. So let's see how we go. So for today, what I'm expecting on gold is that I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting a pullback towards let's see. I'm expecting a pullback on gold towards 3371 region. So let's hope price will come to towards 3371. If I should get a pullback towards that region, I will be adding more position. And don't forget, I started this account on $400 and currently we're sitting pretty at around almost 30K. So let's see how. Okay, we're currently floating at $18,000 profit. Earlier on yesterday, it was around about 25K, but still good. We're still good. I'm expecting gold to pull back so I can add. And basically, I've been adding my positions because gold has been giving us series of higher highs and higher low. So I'm expecting London session to take out Asia low because there is liquidity resting in the Asia low, and there is also liquidity resting in the Asia high. So the Asia low is here. This is the Asia low and this is the Asia high. And now, so there's liquidity resting in this place and in this place. So I want price to take out the Asia low towards this region. Then we'll add some more positions to this place and we'll go for the highs. That is what I'm expecting to play out in the London session. Now I'm going to copy this link and send to my group so they can join. So just hold on a little bit. So we are back. Something huge will happen on gold either before the end of this week or next week. I'm expecting gold to let's go to the daily. You should take a good look at the daily time frame. Wow, this shit is fucked up, man. So if you take a good look at the 4-hour chart, you will notice that price has been giving us so if you take a look at the 4-hour chart here, you'll be seeing series of higher lows and higher highs. And if that is right, we'll be expecting price to give us a new higher low, and we'll be expecting price to take out this let me zoom out, this external liquidity here. So expecting price to take out this external liquidity sitting here. This is a higher low, high, higher low, higher low, higher high, expect a new higher low, then price will take out this draw on liquidity. This will be a perfect target. So our target for gold is around though price has met our first target, this because this high was our first target. So second target should be our second target will be this red line here. So that will be our second target for gold. So let's see how it goes. We are running around 17k. Yes, 17k profits. And our target for this account is to take this account from $400 to 50k. I have done this severally, but not on YouTube. So me doing this personally, if telling people, a lot of people will not believe that you actually do this. So but bringing it to YouTube, it actually shows that you are putting your money where your mouth is. You understand? So let's see how it goes. So my bias for gold today is bullish, long term bullish. The Asia high and Asia low, none of them are resting on a POI. So what that tells you is that there is liquidity resting above the highs and the low. Whenever a session high or low is resting on the POI, that particular high or low has a high tendency to hold. So, but if it's resting on the POI, you might experience dual liquidation. No, you might experience single liquidation. Yeah, but if a session high or low is not resting on any POI, you experience dual liquidation, and that is what we're about to experience on gold today. So dual liquidation simply means price will take out the low of the session, pull back into the session range, and go for the high. So there is a high tendency of that playing out on gold during the London / New York session. My eyes are fixed on the charts. And we'll definitely make a lot of money, just as we've been doing. So eyes on the price, man. Eyes on the price. 17k, eyes on the price. Man. 17k. So if you are not trading gold, then you're actually missing in the forex market, because you should be trading gold. Gold is one of the most volatile currency. It's one of the most volatile instruments. It's not a currency. Gold is one of the most volatile instruments in the forex market. So if you are right about the direction, it can bring you from the village to the city in a day. And if you are wrong about everything, it can catapult you from the city back to the village in a day. So, and if it's not risky, I don't like trading it. That is why I love trading gold, because by personality, if I was a pair, or if I were to be a pair, I would definitely be gold or crude oil, Nasdaq, US30. Those are my favorite pair. BTC USD. We don't do USD card here. We don't do AUD USD, Euro USD. Those pair are slow. GPB and JPY sometimes they are volatile as well. So now we're still on 17k. We are still on 17k. So that is how we'll be making money. So I will be trading live on YouTube. I'll be trading live on YouTube because I'm still testing the YouTube algorithm to see how it works. I'm still trying to see how the YouTube algorithm works, so I'll be trading live on YouTube, if not every day, but at most 2-3 times in a week. Let's see how it goes. And the strategy that I use in catching this move, like I said, it's the volume and liquidity strategy. I will be doing a breakdown of this strategy, and I'll be uploading the video here on YouTube, so you might want to subscribe to the channel, sit tight, and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video, you're definitely not going to miss out. So I'll be sharing the strategy, and I'll also be sharing a new video that I've already recorded, which is on how to trade Forex. If I should flip the camera a little bit, everything is written on my board, but that's not the purpose. 17k, still floating on 17k. Yesterday we saw 24k profit on here on YouTube trading live, so you can just go back to the previous video I did yesterday to watch. I don't like seeing red. I think I just need to it's traumatizing seeing red, some red shit, man. So let's this is okay. This is okay. So if you're a newbie or you're a trader, you're a struggling trader, I want you to click on the description. My Telegram community is there. I drop free signals every day. If you don't have a trading account, just click on the link there and open the trading account. If you use the link, I'm definitely going to get rewarded. That's just one of the ways to support the channel. Currently we're at about 52 subscribers, so let's see how we go before the end of this year, hopefully. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So here is the profit. Here's a sneak peek of the profit, and we're running at 17k here, man. 17k here, man. So I'll be breaking down the strategy I use in packing these pips in the market. I use in catching this move. You understand? It's a new strategy I created. It is called the liquidity and volume strategy, and most times I pick out the entry during London session. I'm not going to say much about it now, so I'll make a complete YouTube video and break down this strategy. But first of all, let me just flex how beautiful my result is. I've been holding this trade since last week. And I posted in my community yesterday that something huge is about to happen on gold. It has not started yet. Gold still have about 800 or 1,000 pips to the upside, but we'll see a little correction to the downside before it happens. So if you look properly here, we're about to finish the Asia session. So we've had our Asia highs and low, and if you watch this Asia high and low properly here, you're going to discover that the high and low is not resting on any POI. And whenever a session high and low is not resting on any POI, guys, you know what that means. It means there's liquidity resting above and below. So I will want price to take out the liquidity resting below the Asia low. Then I want price to revise back inside the range and target the high. So if I should see a pattern like that, I will add to my buys. You know what I'm saying? I will add to my buys and let's pack the money. That's how we roll. So still floating at 17k. I started this account from 4k, and I'm going to flip this account to 50k. Only trading gold. Yeah, I've been trading for the past 13 years since 2012. I guess the years of experience was not waste. So those that want to come and learn Forex within 4 months, okay, don't worry. Go pay school fees, tire, give market. Your eye go clear. You will cry. So let's notwithstanding, if you want to learn how I trade, click on the link and in the description. Join my Telegram community. The first entry I picked on this trade was a sniper entry.